Did you hear what's happening today? Today is your lucky day because I'm here to show you how to make this absolutely delicious hazelnut cream panettone. This panettone is a beautiful elevated dessert. It's no baking required. So if you are short on time or if you're not the baking type but still looking for something that is show-stopping, then this is absolutely the dessert for you. We are going to be using all of the best things in life. We are going to be using Ferrero Rochers, my favorite chocolate. We're going to be using Nutella, probably my second favorite chocolate. Can you see a theme here? And of course, beautiful thick cream and the panettone. So don't go anywhere, this dessert is for you. As always, I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box for you. So if you are interested in the exact quantities, make sure you head there to check it out. So to start with, I'm going to create the hazelnut cream filling. So we're going to do that and then we're going to just dress it up. So in a bowl, you are going to combine your mascarpone straight in. Lovely. Straight into the bowl. That is a big dollop. Get out all of that delicious goodness. Here I have thick cream, dollop cream. Oh. Now, teaspoon of vanilla. Cocoa is optional, depends on what color you're going for. Because I'm using a chocolate chip panettone, it looks like dark chocolate chips. I want it to have the dark cream, so I'm gonna add that to it. 1, 2. I have a giant Nutella here. Always necessary to have a Nutella jar on hand. 1, 2. One more for good luck. 3. What a shame, there's a bit left on the spoon. I'm probably gonna have to eat that. Now it's time to combine. So once that's all in here, start folding it all together. Slight regrets on using this smaller size mixing jug. I should just put it in a larger bowl. I don't know what I was thinking or not thinking, but anyway, you live and you learn, right? Next time I know, bigger bowl. So get your muscles going. And we're just gonna mix it until it's well combined. So at the moment, I can still see a few streaks of like the white cream, so it hasn't been fully combined yet. So I'm just gonna keep folding until I know that it's all really well combined. It's beautiful chocolate color, yum. So this is going to be our filling. As you can see, super quick and easy. You just add the ingredients to a bowl and start folding it, and then that is going to be our filling. Let's get this bad boy out on display. Let's have a little looky. There's probably a right way to open this and a wrong way, and I'm probably doing it the wrong way just by ripping it. But anyway. Exciting! Oh, so pretty. So you can get these in like general grocery stores, especially around festive times of year. They are always out and about. Check out this. Isn't it so cute? I'd love to see them actually make this in real life. So rich and smell. I can see like little holes in the casing, and I'm pretty sure that's because they do this, they hang them. If you're Italian, you can let me know, how do they make these from scratch? What's the process? Because we're just lucky we get to eat them all done. So I'm just gonna gently peel off the casing. Okay, so we'll tidy that up in a minute. That looks so cute. Now you're going to need to get a large serrated knife. We're going to chop this into 3 tiers. Put this here for the other tiers. I think I'm gonna go around here. Yeah, here and here. Okay, I'll just use a little score here. So when you're cutting, I like to do a bit of an insert and then move it around. So it's going around evenly, spinning, keep cutting. Don't freak out, it's not even, we can fix it with cream. There we go, we've got that there. All right, see, slightly uneven. So you can either top it up with the hazelnut cream filling or just cut off the excess, that little bump there, to make it flat, which is what I'm gonna do. There we go. Ready for cut number 2? Where was it? Here. Okay. So again, go in, turn, in and turn, in and turn, keep going. You can feel it come out the other side. Beautiful. A lot of people are scared to cut cakes, but like don't be, because like a lot of things, like, you know, you can fix it. So if you cut it uneven or whatever, you can fix it with icing, you can fix it with filling, you can cut a bit more off. It's all good. Don't freak out. So that's done. Now it's time to decorate. This is just from my days in working at a bakery. I like to use an ice cream scoop because it gets nice, even results and it's clean. One more. Grab your spatula and we're just going to push this out to the sides. Doesn't have to be perfect, so you can see it. So with your spatula, just push it out. If it starts to go too far over, whip it back into the center. You want a little bit showing on the side though, because that's gonna make it look really beautiful. Nice, pillowy, soft hazelnut filling. If you want more Nutella added too, once you try it, go for it. This is your cake. You can add more or less of whatever you like. And I'm gonna add hazelnuts to this as well. I'm gonna do that to the top. If you wanna add it to the center, you can as well. Just gonna put this back on. Okay, there we go. Lovely, so you can start to see it coming up, peeking out the side there. All right. I want to keep it even, so I've gone with another 5. And again, mix it all around. Beautiful. Spreading it out. I think it's the height of this that makes it look really impressive. Anything that's got a little bit of height to it. All right, cool. Got one more to go. So I'm just going to make sure that this is all mixed as well. This last one. This is domed. It's up to you if you want to keep the dome or you could also chop it off. I'm gonna keep it today. Look at this. It's gonna be so cute. Just trying to make sure that it is even or mostly even. Yeah, see there's a bit on here that's annoying me. I'm gonna chop that off because it's uneven. There we go. Now, got hazelnut cream everywhere. Let's get these bad boys on and finish this incredible, beautiful dessert. It's about 5 as well, 5 scoops, but if there's any excess, you might as well just use it up. Why not? Beautiful. Spatula. We are going to push this out to the sides. It's definitely the height that's doing it for me. Just looks gorgeous. So I am just going to make sure all of it has some hazelnut cream. You can do it how you like, but I would like to have some sort of like peak or like whip to it. This is the one on top. It's the one everyone's gonna see. So you can decide what you do to yours. You can also just have it simple, plain, but adding a little bit of texture. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna tidy up again, and then we're gonna add our little hazelnuts and our Ferrero Rocher. Get this out the way. Hazelnuts. I'm gonna chop some of these bad boys, however many you like. So as I said, you can also include them throughout. You also don't have to. Okay, time to sprinkle. You can also use other nuts if you're not keen on using hazelnuts. You could use pistachios or another nut of your choice, whatever you like. Gorgeous. We're not done yet. She looks so pretty. The best chocolate, if I say so myself. There's just something about it. How gorgeous are they? Now, you can do the whole top in Ferreros, you can do a section in Ferreros, whatever you like. That That looks beautiful. I kind of like it like off to one side. It just looks really rustic, but if you want it all over the top, go for it. I just think that this looks really beautiful. So there you have it, guys. This is my absolutely delicious, elevated, no bake recipe, hazelnut cream panettone. You're gonna wanna make this recipe, as you can see, super easy, delicious, looks fantastic, and now it's time to try it. The moment you've all been waiting for, it's time to taste test. So let's go. Now this one's gonna be interesting to cut because it's so tall. Let's see how we go. Nice, okay. Now we only need a thin piece because it's so tall. Looks so good. Yum. Oh my goodness. This is insane. It's like a croissant cake with hazelnut chocolate filling throughout it. It's insane. You probably think like, I'm not gonna be able to eat all of that, but trust me, you're gonna be able to. It is so good. Look at it. Epic, guys. This is truly amazing. Cannot stop eating it. The panettone is beautiful and rich, but the hazelnut cream is subtle and it just pairs so well together. The cream is really soft and pillowy too. Match made in heaven. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope that you love this recipe. And if you do like this video, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell too, and give me a thumbs up. It really does help support my channel, help it grow, and bring you new recipes all the time. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.